investment activated.
Third generation blockchain. 100,000 transactions per second. Native coin DFIC. Supply cap 21 million. Stake mine BFI coins on smartphone.
Welcome to BFIC network. Stake mining in progress.
Mining rewards. Daily staking rewards. Up to 12 team level rewards. Traditional banks and financial institutes.
Proceeding towards first investment. Welcome to first investment.
Enjoy freedom of investment. Attractive rewards. Multiply your amount. Safe and secure. Cashback guarantee. Prompt withdrawal.
Welcome to 𝐁𝐡𝐴𝐵𝐩𝐿, a crypto trading platform for spot trading, future trading, arbitrage trading, copy trading, margin trading, NFT trading, options trading, co-investing. Access granted. Your crypto trading journey begins here. Your transit to the future. Now traveling at a speed of 100,000 transactions per second. Upgrading your journey through time to travel. Welcome to Meta Mall.
Virtual NFT shopping. Meta Entertainment.
Now entering Innovation Factory headquarters. Multiple projects under development.
BFIC network. BFI coins. 𝐁𝐡𝐴𝐵𝐩𝐿. First investment. E-bonds. Bullet O. Insure trading. Crypto cash. Block hub. Virtual meet. Time to travel. Trump card. Snake and ladder. Love wallet. Crypto. MetaMall. P2P property. BFIC Academy. BFIC store.
Thank you.